welcome to the Year 8 Learning Vlog. Now this vlog is going to focus on kinesthetic learning. Kinesthetic learners do best when they interact and touch things. They prefer a hands-on approach to learning and enjoy interacting with classroom materials and those around them. Some tools that will help these learners are note-taking and highlighting, interaction with online materials and bookmarking. And we're going to have a little look at these today. Let's look at note-taking first. So no matter what you're reading or watching, you can make it more interactive by taking notes. You can either do this by hand in a book or use technology-based programs to do so. Today we're going to look at two programs in particular. That's Google Docs and mynotit.com. Okay, Google Docs is a great way to take notes as it instantly saves the document as you type and allows other classmates to view the notes that you have taken by inviting them into edit and read the document. To use Google Docs, all you really need is a Gmail or a Google account. So mynotit.com is a great all-round utility for students at any grade level. Now you can store all of your notes, upload documents, search the community's notes for help in the subject, and much more. When you arrive at the home page, you'll be shown the most recent notes taken for all of your classes and any upcoming due dates on your to-do list. So for kinesthetic learners, taking notes is a great tool because you're actually physically doing something whilst reading or listening to the information. This means that you can process the information doing what you do best, being active. Interacting with online materials also helps kinesthetic learners learn by not only hearing and seeing the material in front of them, but digitally manipulating it. I want to look at three resources that help you do this. These are the iPad, flashcard machine, and learnerinteractive.org. Let's look at the iPad first. The iPad is a tool that you're all familiar with as we have them in the library available to you, and many of you carry iPhones. Now these are great tools for kinesthetic learners as the touchscreen allows you to zoom in and out, flip and turn around the screen using your fingertips. The iPad gives you access to many educational applications, note-taking applications, news publication apps, books and games, which can all become a rich resource for your learning. Again, all you need to do is create an account using an email address to start downloading. So Flashcard Machine is a website that allows you to create web-based flashcards to study the information you have learnt in class using text and pictures. By using the computer to physically flip the cards and respond to the answer digitally, kinesthetic learners are learning by doing. So Learner Interactive gives a more interactive explanation of a concept that you might have learnt in a class. You'll find dozens of educational experiences on this site that can help you with subjects like geology, history, science, maths, and much more. It works by going beyond presenting the information, but getting you guys to actually interact with the content and achieve a learning outcome. Okay, so finally I want to look at bookmarking.
I know when to go out, know when to stay in.
So bookmarking websites mark references to online resources that can help you recall a study resource or an interesting website that you came across. You're able to add descriptions to these bookmarks, which makes reference to what it was about and what it should be used for. You can use a number of tools to bookmark the websites that you like best. These are Delicious, dig.com, Twitter, and reddit.com. So all of these websites allow kinesthetic learners to interact online by digitally saving a website they thought was relevant and interesting. Okay, well that's the end of our vlog, guys. I hope you've learned something new. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Boom, shaka, jam.